Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to start a conversation with Claude AI and how to use it. First, open the Claude app and log in. Then tap on the chat box on the bottom of the screen. Then type your question or prompt clearly. For example, you can ask Claude to summarize text, generate ideas, or answer questions. Let's ask about what the weather today. After typing, press send. Claude will process your request and reply in a few seconds. You can continue the conversation by typing the follow up questions. Make sure to be clear and specific in your prompts for best results. You can also use suggested prompts or templates if the app provides them. And that's how you start a conversation and use Claude AI